Hello everyone, I am Dr. S. Muhammad Yusuf. In this video we are going to discuss why the world countries uses different voltage and frequency level. The voltage and frequency of AC electricity varies from country to country throughout the world. 110 to 120 volt 60 Hz or 220 to 230 volt 50 Hz are the most effective value used by the many of the countries. Each operating value has its own advantages and drawback as well. Every country have justified that their operating values are best suitable for them to handle. Therefore, in this video, I am going to reveal the different operating values of world countries and conclude the best operating value. Let us start from the invention of electricity. In US, 1879, Thomas Alva Edison found direct current system were 110 volt. In 1882, his General Electric company started supplying DC power in New York City. But they could not provide the DC power to a long distance due to the losses. On the other hand, in 1888, Nikola Tesla found alternating current system were 240 volt and calculated 60 Hz frequency as well. Later on, he compromised to reduce the voltage level from 240 to 110 volt due to the safety reasons. The Westinghouse company starts providing the 110 volt 60 Hz AC power to a long distance that AC could not did it. In 1950, the US standardized their operating value as 120 volt 60 Hz. The other side, the German company AEG started generating electricity in Europe and they decided to use 50 Hz instead of 60 Hz to better fit their metric standards such as 1, 2, 5 number system, but they still stayed with 120 volt. The Europe was providing 120 volt 50 Hz AC until 1950s. After the Second World War, they switched over to 230 volt 50 Hz for better efficiency in electric transmission. Comparatively, 230 volt 50 Hz system has reduced transmission losses, conductor losses and insulation as well. India got 230 volt 50 Hz because it was colonized by England. It's a world scenario of different operating values. The countries have blue shade holds 220 to 240 volt 50 Hz operating value. The countries have red shade holds 100 to 127 volt 60 Hz operating value. The countries have green shade holds 220 to 240 volt 60 Hz operating value. The countries have yellow shade holds 100 to 127 volt 50 Hz operating values. 73% of world country uses 220 to 240 volt 50 Hz operating value such as Australia, China, France, Germany, Italy, India, Russia, South Africa, UAE, UK and etc. 20% of world country uses 100 to 127 volt 60 Hz operating value such as USA, Canada, Brazil, Cuba, Colombia, Mexico, North Korea, Venice, Taiwan and etc. And 5% of world country uses 220 volt to 240 volt 60 Hz operating value such as Peru, South Korea, Saudi Arabia and etc. 100 to 127 volt 50 Hz operating value used only by 2% of world country like Libya, Morocco, Madagascar, Jamaica and etc. And to summarize this, after this all four operating values, 220 to 240 volt 60 Hz are the most efficient value, but only a few countries uses this combination. Countries adopted 110 to 120 volt AC to minimize the risk of injury and fatality, but the transmission is the huge question mark here. Also, they adopted 60 Hz frequency, which is optimal for AC transmission, then 50 Hz. European countries, on the other hand, went to 220 to 240 volt AC to minimize the electricity losses, but it is a debatable thing, choosing 50 Hz frequency. System working on 50 Hz frequency are prone to flicker. Most users 220 volt to 240 volt AC, other users between 100 to 127 volt AC. Some countries such as United States, Japan, North Korea, Canada, Philippines, Taiwan uses dual voltage systems. 43 countries uses 60 Hz frequency and rest of the countries uses 50 Hz frequency. And to conclude this, as far as the voltage level is concerned, 220 to 240 volt operating value is best suitable among all. As far as the frequency is concerned, 60 Hz frequency is best among all. I hope you all understand the different operating values used by many of the countries. Thanks for watching. Thank you.